Imagine waking up 10 years from now, haunted by the question, what if I had just kept going? That's the pain of regret. And trust me, you don't want to live with that. The truth is, walking away from your dream isn't just about walking away from an idea. It's about walking away from the person you are meant to become. And that choice, it comes with a price. If you are thinking of giving up today, please listen closely, because the cost of quitting is far greater than the struggle of continuing. Here are 5 reasons why giving up is the worst thing you could ever make. 1. You will look back with regret. We rarely regret trying, but we always regret quitting. Think about it. How many times have you wished you had just stuck it out a little longer? I once heard somebody say that the saddest words you could ever hear are, "I wish I had." And it's true. Regret isn't just an emotion. It's a weight that follows you for life. And here's the worst part. Once the moment is gone, you may never get the opportunity again. 2. You will miss other opportunities. Your dreams are not isolated. They are interconnected. Every step forward creates new doors that wouldn't exist otherwise. But if you quit, you don't just lose one dream. You lose a chain of possibilities. The opportunity you're about to walk away from or give up on might be the bridge to even something greater, but you'll never know if you stopped right now. Number 3, you may never feel fulfilled. Success is about more than money or recognition. It's really about purpose. Have you ever met somebody who seemed to have everything, but deep down it was obvious that they were miserable? That's what happens when you abandon what truly matters to you. No external success can replace the satisfaction of living in alignment with your purpose and your calling. And here's the hard truth. No matter how far you run away from your calling or your purpose, they will always run after you. Always. Because deep down, you know you were made for much more. 4, it kills your confidence. Every time you quit, you teach yourself one dangerous lesson, that quitting is an option. And unfortunately, the more you quit, the harder it takes to believe in yourself. And on the flip side, every time you push through a challenge, you build the power of resilience. You prove to yourself that you are able to overcome anything life throws at you. Confidence is not something we are born with. It's something that we all develop and build through actions and trials. If you quit now, what message are you sending to yourself regarding the next challenge on your way? Lastly, number 5, you betray your highest ideals. Deep down, you have a vision of the person you know that you are meant to be. But unfortunately, when you quit, you betray that version of yourself. You turn your back on the ideals, principles, and values that make you you. And over time, that disconnect creates a silent war inside of you, one that leads to self-doubt, frustration, and ultimately bitterness. Why? Because you would always wonder, what if I kept going on? The truth is, the road to your dreams will test you, break you, and stretch you in the most incredible way beyond what you can ever imagine. But the struggle is the prize for the greatness. And if you push through, the version of you on the other side will be wiser, stronger, and certainly unstoppable. Here's my challenge for you today. Before you go to bed tonight, take just one step, one small step towards your dream, just one. Write down that idea, apply for that opportunity, make that call. Because ultimately, your future self isn't waiting. You are waiting. Thank you and amen.